Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with power tongue jack, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, flip-down travel rack, backup camera ready, double-step entry, electric awning, single slide, LED exterior lighting, outside kitchen refrigerator, spare tire and carrier, outside shower, U-shaped dinette, smoke detector, over-the-range microwave, high-rise faucet, walk-through bathroom, kitchen skylight, front bedroom, walk-around queen bed, entry grab handle, USB charging station, shower skylight, big corner shower, sofa bed, stainless sink, interior speakers, mini blinds, living area television, mirrored wardrobe doors. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.